Howdy YouTube, it's your buddy Ian for the Fix My House channel. I'm going to tell you 3 tips that have helped me in the process of buying a house. Let's do it. All right, this is my dog Walter. He likes to take naps when I film videos. So the first tip that helps me when I'm buying a house to keep in mind is something I learned from Alex Hermosi. I've known it, but I didn't have the words for it. And what it is if you don't agree, don't move forward. And what that means is your partner, your business partners, whoever it might be that you're buying the house with, it's typically your spouse. If you don't agree on the house, just walk away from it. No matter how much one of you might like it, you really should just walk away. It actually is that simple. I tend to not be super opinionated on YouTube videos because I'm just giving information about how to fix up your house. But let me just tell you, if one of you doesn't really like it and the other one does, you just need to walk away from it because you will eventually find a house that you both really, really like, and then you're going to move forward, and then it's going to be great. Tip number 1, again, if you don't agree, don't move forward. That's what I suggest. Tip number 2 is take your time. I have found the real estate industry tends to very much underplay the fact that for most Americans, a home purchase is the largest purchase people will ever make, and many people only do this once, maybe twice in their life. So this is a huge purchase, and a lot of times you're borrowing a lot of money. So unless you really, really need to do something, which I hope you don't, I really hope you're not in a rush, you should look at as many houses as you need to until you find one that is just the right fit. In my experience, wait till you find the one that's the perfect fit. It's very hard for us to do as Westerners, as Americans, as people with smartphones in our pockets all the time and apps that are pinging us, telling us houses are for sale and we should go ahead and buy them. I can just tell you from personal experience, you want to wait until you find a house you really, really like because it's the largest purchase you will probably ever go forward with. If you really think about it, spending 15 minutes in it one time is kind of ridiculous. So find one you really like, take as long as you need to. Do not let anybody pressure you into doing anything. Okay, tip number 3 is when you are buying a house and you're in the process, let's say you found a house, I am always extremely surprised by, even if there is a home inspection, and I have seen this go both ways, with and without an inspection, how few questions the buyers tend to ask. Now, I tend to err on the side of way more questions. I look up the tax history, I look up the previous owners, sometimes I Google those people. I try to find out what might have been going on with this house. Has it been taken care of? Does it look like something's really out of whack? The whole point is, if you're going to buy this house and possibly borrow hundreds of thousands of dollars, so you just want to know, you just should take the time to ask as many questions as you want to ask when you're going through this very large purchase. Ask about the condition of the house. How long have they owned it? Why are they selling it? Any glaring problems with the house, even if you do have an inspection. The simple request, if you're using a realtor, for the realtor to ask the current owners, are there any glaring problems, could save you thousands of dollars, and it could just clear all kinds of things up and save you a lot of time in the long run. So we'll keep it at just those 3 tips for now. That would be my advice, having bought and sold a house many times, remodeled many houses. I hope this advice helps. My name's Ian. This is the Fix My House channel. I've been a general contractor for about 25 years, and you might like this video right here of things to think about when you are selling your house that I recorded the same time I recorded this one. I hope you enjoy it. Feel free to leave any questions or comments about your house, home repair, real estate in the comments, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.